What's up, fifth grade? I'm so excited to be connecting with you online this week as we continue our distant learning. Now, this week we are using the same story that we used last week called Into the Unknown, Above and Beyond. And so if you haven't done so already, please go reread the story. I've linked it here in your assignments, and so all you have to do is log into your HMH and it will take you directly to the story. So today we are talking about text structures. Now, text structures help make ideas clear to the readers. That's why we learn this. It's to help you understand and make things more clear for us to read the story. Now, depending on the author's purpose, the author will choose one of the four text structures, right? So we have compare and contrast, problem and solution, cause and effect, and sequential or logical order. In some informational texts like Into the Unknown, Above and Beyond, an author could use, I hope you're watching this, they might use cause and effect text structure to explain what happened and why it happened. Now, I am also linking the anchor chart for text structures in order for you to go review that. And so we're going to do a quick review on the four text structures. So our first one is we have compare and contrast. We know that the purpose of this, if you've looked at your anchor chart or if you remember, because this is a review, the purpose is to describe how things are alike and how they're different. We have cause and effect, which the purpose is to explain why something happened and what happened. And we know that the cause explains why something happened and the effect is what happened. And then we have sequential and logical order. Now, this one's pretty self-explanatory. What does sequence mean? It means order. And so our purpose is to explain events in time order or importance of order, or in order of importance, sorry. And our last one is problem and solution. It shows a problem and how to solve it. Now, each of these are pretty self-explanatory, but if you need to review them, please go to the anchor chart or message me and on Google Classroom, and I will clarify anything that you didn't understand. Now, let's focus on cause and effect. One way to recognize cause and effect is by its transition words or its phrases. So if you look on your anchor chart again, we have words that show you clues as to the text structure of the story. And so we have words such as because, so, in order to, and as a result. So we have four transition words to look for. Now, I want you to think about these as I read a sentence, and I want you to think about how they're used and if the author has used them in Into the Unknown, Above and Beyond. So we would say, because A does this, B does this. So that would be my cause, because A does this, B does this. And my effect. A does this, so B does that. Are you hearing my words? A behaves let me start over. A behaves this way in order to make B behave that way. As a result of A doing this, B does that. And so can you hear my transition words? Those are important words for you to understand, for you to look for as you read the story. Now, understanding the text structure of cause and effect in our story helps you better understand how events and other details in a text are related. This is to help you be a better reader. Remember that. Now, you are going to practice identifying cause and effect, text structure, and you're going to gain a better understanding of key ideas as you reread Into the Unknown, Above and Beyond. Now, remember, if you have any questions, please ask me on Google Classroom and I will answer them as we need to. And we are also having a Zoom meeting on Wednesday, so look on your Google Classroom to look for that time. I am rooting for you. I know you can do this, and I will see you guys later.